High Intensity Interval Training or HIIT is a method of exercise that combines bouts of intense movement with periods of rest. HIIT has gotten quite popular over the past decade. Gym-loving celebrities always tout the method as one of the more efficient ways to improve your fitness. And science says that they are not wrong. Today we will show you 8 HIIT cardio workouts that you can do anywhere. But before that, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification icon. Number 1. Plank. To perform a plank, get on all fours with your toes on the floor shoulder width apart. Your wrists and elbows should be stacked directly beneath your shoulders. Keep your core tight so your body is in a straight line from head to toe. Now squeeze your thighs and butt. Keep your neck and spine in a comfortable, neutral position. Hold this position for 30 seconds. Number 2. High knees. To do this exercise, stand tall with feet hip width apart. Now lift up the right knee as high as it goes. Raise the opposite arm, then switch quickly so the left knee is up before the right foot lands. Continue pulling knees up quickly for 20 seconds. Number 3. Jumping jacks. Start this exercise by standing with your legs straight and your arms to your sides. Then jump up and spread your feet beyond hip width apart while bringing your arms above your head, nearly touching. Now jump again, lowering your arms and bringing your legs together. Then return to your starting position. Number 4. Crabby crawl out. To perform this exercise, stand with your legs wider than shoulder width apart. Now lower into a sumo squat. Next, crawl out into your hands until your body is stretched out in a plank position. Then, do a push-up. Now crawl back with your hands and sit back into the sumo squat, arms straight and extended overhead. Repeat for 20 seconds. Number 5. Jumping rope. To perform this exercise, stand straight and hold the rope. Your feet should be less than hip width apart. Now start skipping the rope. You can try to switch your legs for alternations. Number 6. Mountain climbers. To perform this exercise, get into a high plank position with your wrists directly under your shoulders. Now keep your core tight, drawing your belly button in towards your spine. Then drive your right knee towards your chest and then bring it back to plank. Now drive your left knee towards your chest and bring it back. Continue to alternate sides. Number 7. Grass grabbers. Start this exercise with your feet wider than shoulder width apart. Then push your hips back and lower into a sumo squat, bringing your arm to touch the ground right underneath your torso. Now stand up straight and jump your feet in so that they land directly under your hips. Then immediately hop your feet back out to start position and start with the squat again. Number 8. Squats. To perform squats, stand with your feet as wide as your shoulders, toes pointing forward. Now pull your navel in towards your spine and then sit back by bending at your knees and reaching your glutes back as if you're sitting in a chair. Press down through your heels and then stand back up. Hurry enough for today. Will you start doing these workouts from tomorrow? Let us know in the comment section below. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon below. Thanks for watching the video.